Lesson 46. Watashimasu hand over. Kaite kimasu come back. Dimasu a bus leave depart. Todokimasu parcels be delivered. Nyugakushimasu enter a university. Sotsugyo shimasu graduate from a university. Yakimasu bake, grill, roast. Yakimasu bread be baked, meat be roasted, grilled. Rusu absence. Takohai bin package delivered by home delivery service. Jinin cost. Kochira my side. Notokoro where is are by the Hantoshi half a year. Chodo just exactly. Tatta Emma just now used with the past tense indicates completion. Ima ii desu ka? Have you got a moment? Gasu service center, gas service center. Gas range, gas range, gas cooker. Guai condition. Moshiwaki arimasen. I'm sorry. Dochira sama deshou ka? Who is this, please? Omatase shimashita. Sorry to have kept you waiting. Mokaimasu. Head for. Choite imasu. Be lucky. Yuka. Floor. Korobimasu. Fall down, fall over. Beru. Bell. Narimasu. Ring. Awatete. In a hurry. Junban ni. In order. Dekigoto. Incident. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!